So I wanted to retry Drybar heated rollers because the last time I did it, I didn't do it very well. So this time I wanted to try it again. So I do have my bangs in a Velcro roller right now just because I feel like the length of my bangs is a little bit too short for these rollers. So I just put it up in the... Okay, so I think let's start just by sectioning the hair. So I'm gonna start kind of like right where the arch of my brow is. And this is actually the section that we're going to do when we're first just gonna take a clip and kind of use this part of the clip to section the hair. I'm gonna section it vertically so I have a top section and a bottom section. I'm gonna clip that out of the way and do the same thing to the other side. Clip that out of the way. Actually, I think we can just get started on the bottom section instead of the top. So what I'm gonna do, so these clips are fine that come with the Drybar heated rollers, but I actually found that since these are way too heavy, I like to use just regular claw clips just on some of them to clip what we are going to be doing here. I'm first going to spray in the Bumble and Mumble thickening spray. I actually do need to get another thing of this and a new thing of texture spray as well. So I'm just going to spray the hair and then brush that through, and then I am going to spray it with my Redken thermal heat protectant. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use one of the bigger rollers first, and then I'm going to go, let's just go in this direction, I guess. I'm going to take it towards the end and then just do it like that, and I'm going to take one of my claw clips. I like to kind of use, actually that works right there. But let me use back to the yellow one. Okay, I'm going to hold it like that for a minute, and then I'm going to go on to the top. Do that same thing. I could, oh wait, we can bring this piece into that one down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unravel this real quick, and then we can bring that piece into this section. See, I don't know, these are just the clips are so annoying sometimes because they don't stay very well. So I could split the section into two, so that's because we can now use a smaller roller for the middle section. So I'm just going to do the same thing, just spray the hair products and not spray the camera. Or my brush that through, and then take one of the smaller rollers that is done heating and do, actually let's go into a different direction this time. Okay, now it's stuck. Alright, I'm gonna do this one, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the hair off camera. Okay, so I just have the mohawk section to do. I'm just going to just show you how I like to do this part. So I have 3 sections kind of clipped. Oops, this one keeps falling. It's annoying me. Right, I totally missed it. I'm gonna just take the small ones. This one is going to go this way. It's so annoying. Even with those clips, it just will not stay. I'm going to just use a different clip here. Just clip that, kind of like maybe. This is the only one that is not wanting to stay. My hair is so messy right up here right now. Alright, still the same direction, but I'm going to brush this through because I need a little brushing. And do that same thing, same size. Oh, no, this is the same direction. And the back will go on the opposite. Okay, I can't. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scarf, and I'm just going to kind of use this to protect the hair. I don't even know how. Oh, like this. Or this is a bandana. I'm just going to try to see if I can. But I'm probably not going to. I might actually just use a bigger scarf. That might work better. Alright, so I don't have a small enough scarf, so I'm going to use my bonnet instead, my silk bonnet instead. Hopefully I can just fit this. I'm gonna go like this. You know, it's not working, so I'm just gonna leave it like this and see you guys in about 10 minutes once all of this is cooled down. Okay, so now we can take them out. It's been about actually more than 10 minutes, so I think we can take that. I'm gonna start where we started putting in the rollers, and I'm just going to twist it out like this. Finally worked. That's so great. My fingertips instead, rather than using a brush. It definitely turned out better than the previous one that I did, or previous roller set that I did. Alright, now this one, and then we can take out the bangs. Okay, there's definitely some places of the hair it's a little bit crusty, but I absolutely love how it turned out this time. it looks. So yeah, definitely go check out the first video that I did using the Velcro using the heated rollers. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one.